As people from the African diaspora, we tend to eat a lot of yams, and sometimes we have boiled yams stashed away, extra yams stashed away in the fridge, and we're not sure exactly what to do with it. It's sitting there. Well, I just want to tell you that you can have it for breakfast, and I'm going to show you how easy it is to actually do that. So, the boiled yams that I kept stored in the fridge in this container, you can see more in there, just from the last big cooking. What I did was I diced up the yams in like 1 inch, 1 inch by 1 inch squares. And I diced up the green peppers, red peppers, onions, and a little hot pepper in there somewhere. And so I'm gonna make a stir fry of the yams for breakfast that I'll have with eggs. All right. The everything is already cut up just for the sake of time. So here we go. Okay, so we'll begin by putting the yams in the frying pan. It's already hot with oil. Be careful not to get yourself burnt. All right, and so we'll stir fry that for a little bit. We just want it a little crispy, not very crispy, but just a little crispy so it doesn't fall apart. And we'll put the yams in first, then stir fry them. Okay, so the pre-boiled yam is already nice and a little crispy. Now we're gonna put in the vegetables. Now these yams, I should let you know, is my favorite yellow yam. Lots of Jamaicans love yellow yam. So these are already boiled and in the fridge. I diced them up. Now I'm adding in the vegetables, which is the onions and the peppers, and we're gonna stir that a little bit and then put in the seasoning on top of it. Little garlic and onion powder and oregano if possible. Okay, so I've stir fried the pre-boiled yam on its own for about 4 to 5 minutes. Then I add in the peppers and I stir that for another 4 minutes. Now I'm gonna add in the garlic powder. Garlic powder. Little more onion powder. I have onion in there already, but it still won't hurt. Little oregano. If you have it, that's fine. If you don't, that's fine. It's good anyway. And then some black pepper. Okay, I like the taste of the oregano, so I use that. And then you stir. Okay, so the yams are done. Please remember, you've already boiled the yams with salt, so don't add any more salt. All right, I'm gonna fast forward and make the eggs now. This is Bobby Montego, and you're in tune to Wake Up and Live. And there you have it, boiled leftover yams with eggs and plantain. Thank you for watching.